Greetings, Happy New Year. It's winter time, and there are a few things that we do at winter time to kind of make sure we can drive a little bit smoother on the road. And we do that with our car. There are things you do that you don't maybe even think about, especially when it comes to Canada in winter time. We change our car tires, we make sure that there's antifreeze in the car, make sure that there's a brush and a scraper, all of these things that we do to take care of our car for the winter time. And we actually don't even really think about these things. It's just kind of a nuisance, I guess, maybe a little bit of an extra expense, but it helps us drive and get to where we want to go more quickly, efficiently, smoother, and so we don't slip and slide and crash. Now, we need to think about another vehicle, and that other vehicle is our body. What do we do to take care of this physical body for the winter time? You know, what kind of fuel do you put in your body? Do you check the oil? Do you check your gauges? Do you make sure that you're taking care of your physical body in order to prepare for the winter time? So it's kind of a metaphor, but really you have to think about these things. The foods you eat might be different. Are you drinking more water to stay hydrated? Do you implement certain self-care or activities or exercises to make sure that your energies are up and that you are able to go the long distance through winter time? Because the truth is, this winter is different. It's not like any other winter. Being in lockdown, going through a pandemic, winter is going to be a little bit more challenging. You have to think about these things. You have to think about what you need to do to take care of your vehicle, this physical body. You know, you have a car, but you don't say, I am my car. You say, I have a car. You have a body. You don't say, I am my body. You have a body. But do you think about what this physical body actually needs in order to get you through the day, through the week, and through the winter time? And that's not just physical. Mental, emotional, spiritual wellness is so important. So make sure you do your self-care. Make sure you take care of not just this, piece of metal, but also this piece of meat to make sure that you can get through the winter without a crash. So much love. Reach out if you need help, because there's lots of tools, lots of techniques, so many different things to think about, especially when it comes to self-care, that's going to help you manage this winter. Much love.